Hello everyone, this video is going to be showing you how to measure your head. So I have the gorgeous Caitlin who's going to measure my head for me, just to show you how each measurement goes. I have popped my hair into a wig cap. If you are going to be experiencing any hair loss, I would suggest having your hair down and brushed and sort of out, and just measure over your hair. If you are going to be wearing a wig over your hair, then to have it sort of even pinned up like this would be really helpful. Just to make sure that your wig's not going to be too tight once you're fitting all that hair in. Let's check it out. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us through our contact form on the website or via the information available on Google. Thank you so much.